Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Let's start now. Did you know an octopus has not one, but three hearts? Two of these hearts pump blood to the gills, where it gets oxygen. The third heart pumps this oxygen-rich blood to the rest of its body. And here's something amazing. An octopus has blue blood. This is because it uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin to carry oxygen. Thanks to this blue blood, octopuses can survive in cold, low oxygen waters of the ocean. Here's a shocking fact about lightning. High voltage lightning can be about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. A single lightning bolt can reach temperatures of around 30,000 degrees Celsius, or 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. For comparison, the surface of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is actually much cooler than lightning. This intense heat makes the surrounding air expand extremely fast, and that sudden expansion creates the loud sound we hear as thunder. That's why lightning is considered one of the most powerful natural electrical events on Earth. Here's a surprising science fact. Humans actually share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. DNA is the genetic code that controls how living things grow, develop, and function. Even though humans and bananas look completely different, many basic cell functions are very similar in plants and animals. Because of these shared functions, some genes are common between humans and bananas. This amazing connection shows that all living organisms on Earth are linked together through evolution. Here's an incredible fact about sharks. Sharks were actually swimming in Earth's oceans long before the first trees ever appeared on land. Scientists believe sharks first appeared about 400 million years ago. But the first trees didn't appear until around 350 million years ago. Much later, that means sharks were already ruling the oceans 50 million years before trees started growing on land. Because of this long history, sharks are considered one of the oldest groups of animals still living on our planet today. Here's an amazing fact about the human brain. The human brain contains about 86 billion neurons, also known as nerve cells. These neurons constantly send and receive signals that help your body think, move, and feel. They are connected through trillions of tiny links called synapses, forming one of the most complex networks in the universe. Brain signals can travel incredibly fast, up to about 120 meters per second. And even while you're sleeping, your neurons are still hard at work, processing memories and keeping your body functioning. Here's a fascinating fact about our planet. Earth is the only known planet in the universe that supports life. One reason is liquid water, which is essential for all living organisms. Earth also sits at the perfect distance from the sun, giving it the right temperature for life to survive. Our planet is protected by a special atmosphere that provides oxygen and shields living things from harmful radiation. Because of these unique conditions, millions of plants, animals, and humans are able to live and thrive on Earth. Here's an amazing fact about giraffes. A giraffe's tongue can grow up to about 45 centimeters long. This incredibly long tongue helps giraffes reach leaves high up on tall trees. It is also very strong and flexible, allowing them to easily grab branches and pull off leaves. Interestingly, a giraffe's tongue is usually dark purple or bluish in color, which helps protect it from the strong sunlight. Thanks to this long and tough tongue, giraffes can even eat leaves from thorny plants without getting hurt. Here's a surprising fact about snails. Some snails can actually sleep for up to 3 years. They enter a deep sleep called hibernation when the environment becomes too harsh. This usually happens during extremely hot or very dry weather, when survival becomes difficult. To stay safe, the snail seals itself inside its shell, protecting its body and conserving moisture. Then, when the weather becomes cool and wet again, the snail wakes up and slowly becomes active once more. Thanks for watching Knowledge Hub. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing facts. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.